Hello everyone. I am Vipin Verma, the co-author of paper ID 81, Case Study of Synchronization of Solar Power Converter. Let's start with the abstract. This paper represents the modeling, hardware evaluation and simulation of photovoltaic solar power converter. In this paper, the power factor control of solar photovoltaic inverter is also shown to improve the voltage profile across the feeder in a distribution system. Now, DC AC inverter, power converter, solar photovoltaic, these are the keywords which we are going to see in this paper. Now, let's start the introduction. As we know, human population is increasing day by day, so energy demand is also increasing day by day. Solar energy sources are one of the most efficient solar system, as fossil fuel are one of the main reasons for greenhouse effect. The target is to reduce the use of fossil fuels. Solar energy sources are one of the most efficient energy systems because it is a carbon free technology and also easy to install, safe, reliable and maintenance free. Now, solutions to over voltage. After performing a number of studies for finding the solutions to correct over voltage of the distribution system. By the result of simulation, it has been proved that increasing the size of the cable reduces the voltage across the distribution network. Hence, combining the demand response technique with real power has been proposed. The practice of energy storage can reduce the energy loss due to reverse power flow and can be utilized for over voltage corrections. The power factor of the inverter can be readjusted to absorb the reactive power and is a good solution to prevent over voltage issue due to solar photovoltaics. Now this is the diagram of a distribution network designed using MSVGO. It consists of a power grid connected to 32 kV which is connected to the transformer and goes to the different substations. Now voltage profile challenges. To improve the voltage profile of a vulnerable network, solar photovoltaic system is one of the solutions. Figure 2 to figure 5 shows the comparison of voltage profile for 5 different cases. Case 1. In case 1, the voltage profile at 3 different conditions, namely voltage before installing solar photovoltaic system, voltage after installing a 1 megawatt solar photovoltaic system and voltage after installing a 5 megawatt solar photovoltaic system. Here this diagram represents voltage profile across the feeder in case 1. Here y axis represents voltage in kV, x axis represents substation number from the main intake. Here the blue line represents voltage before installing solar photovoltaic generator. Red line represents voltage after installing a 1 megawatt solar photovoltaic generator and the green line represents voltage after installing a 5 megawatt solar PV generator. Case 2. In case 2, the comparison of the voltage profile across the feeder for 3 different conditions which are before installing a solar photovoltaic system. After installing 2 of the 1 megawatt and 5 megawatt solar photovoltaic systems. Here, this figure represents voltage profile across the feeder in case 2. Here also the y-axis represent voltage in kilovolt, the x-axis represent substation number from the main intake. Here the blue color represent voltage before installing solar PV generator. The red color represent voltage after installing two 1 megawatt solar PV generator and the green line represent voltage after installing two 5 megawatt solar PV generator. Case 3. In case 3, the voltage profile in 3 different conditions, namely voltage before installing solar PV system, voltage after installing 5 megawatt solar PV system at unity power factor, and voltage after changing the power factor of 5 megawatt solar PV system from unity 2.9 capacity. Here this figure represent voltage profile across the feeder in case 3. Here the blue color represent voltage before installing solar PV generator. The red color represent voltage after installing two 5 megawatt solar PV generator, and the green color represent voltage after changing the power factor of two 5 megawatt solar PV generator. Case 4. In case 4, the voltage profile for 3 different conditions, namely voltage after installing 2 unit of 5 megawatt solar PV system at unity power factor, and voltage after changing the power factor of solar PV system from unity 2.9 inductive, and voltage after changing the power factor of solar PV system from unity 2.9 capacitive. Here this figure represents voltage profile across the feeder in case 4. Here the blue line represents voltage after installing 5 megawatt solar PV generator. The red color represents voltage after changing the power factor of 5 megawatt solar PV generator, zero point 0.9 inductive power factor, and the green color represents voltage after changing the power factor of to 5 megawatt solar PV generator, 0.9 capacity power factor. Now the case 5. In case 5, the impact of solar PV on the bus voltage in a weak and strong electrical grid is discussed. Here the figure 6 represents voltage profile for weak network distribution and voltage profile for strong network distribution. Now, synchronization of solar inverter with power grid. In solar panel inverter, the power supply is provided to the residential load using inverter, and if the residential load does not need power supply, then the load is supplied to the grid. The supply voltage taken from the DC to DC converter is applied across the battery as well as across the residential AC load or to the power grid via pulse width modulation inverter. Here figure 7 represent block diagram of solar cell inverter synchronization with grid. It first start with PV array, then it goes to converter, then it connected to the battery, and then to the pulse width modulator inverter, and then it distributes into power grid and residential load. Now figure 8 represents simulation of solar cell inverter synchronization with grid, and the figure 9 represents graph of solar cell inverter synchronization with grid. Now, various isolations and their effect on solar power inverter. The single inductor based dual input output converter in the power flow management system was produced by using MOSFET of raising 100 volt 23 ampere, and the rating of diode is 23 ampere. The gate pulses produced by using RTI board and XOR logic gate. The gate pulses are then provided to a quad package comparator which is taking action between RTI board and optocouplers. The optocouplers are then aligned with appropriate switches. Case 1. In case 1 represent dynamic response of the converter to changes in solar PV isolation, and the case 2 represents dynamic response of the converter to changes in load. Case 3 represents dynamic response of the converter to changes in solar PV isolation. The different level of the solar photovoltaic power are obtained by changing the number of solar photovoltaic panels in parallel. Now, improvement of power generation by photovoltaics. This section portrays practical improvement of a photovoltaic power generation system situated on interfacing an experimental model to a personal computer. The created photovoltaics conversion system subsists of a PV channel and a power converter, calculating load, controller and circuits. Now this figure 14 represents experimental result of the PV generation system. A. Photovoltaic panel voltage. B. Photovoltaic panel current. C. Photovoltaic panel power. D. dp by dt dp by dv, and E represent transistor switching signal. Now figure 15 represent a case study of PV battery series inverter architecture. Now the conclusion. Many countries are struggling to resolve the issue of global warming. The use of renewable energy, especially solar PV, has become one of the alternative solutions to overcome this problem. However, the distribution network may experience problems like overvoltage unsynchronization, which can be solved by above mentioned method. And these are the following representations from where we have taken help to make this research paper. So that's all from this presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.